Primetime news this evening. It's all good. Prime Minister defends granting mining permit for Puerto Bueno Mountains. Then, in another breath, the Prime Minister lauds how he handles environmental issues. And unity in question, division resurfacing in the PNP after recent election and swearing-in ceremony.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on Mark Golding's election as president of the People's National Party?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.